Once upon a time, in a grand palace, there lived a wise king named Chandra. His sons had a special fondness for playing with monkeys, so King Chandra invited a group of monkeys from the nearby forest to live in the palace. The monkeys were treated with great hospitality, given the best food, and soon made the palace their home. The leader of these monkeys was Kapish, a monkey so wise that people compared him to the god's teacher. Even King Chandra was amazed by Kapish's wisdom and asked him to teach his sons. Kapish gladly accepted and began educating the princes, impressing everyone with his intelligence. Some time passed and the king brought in some rams for the princes to ride and play with. However, one of these rams was greedy and often sneaked into the kitchen to steal food. The cooks, frustrated by this, would chase the ram away with burning sticks. Kapish, observing the ram's behavior, became concerned. He gathered the other monkeys and warned them of a great danger. He predicted that one day the ram would catch fire and run into the stable, setting it ablaze. The horses would burn, and the only cure would be monkey fat. He feared the king would order the monkeys to be killed to save the horses. The young monkeys laughed at Kapish's warnings. They thought he was overreacting and refused to leave the palace. Even Kapish's wife did not support him. Heartbroken, Kapish decided to leave the palace and return to the forest. The very next day, exactly as Kapish had predicted, the greedy ram sneaked into the kitchen, and a cook threw a burning stick at it. The ram caught fire and ran into the stable, setting it ablaze. Many horses were burned, and the king, desperate to save them, ordered the monkeys to be killed for their fat. Heartbroken by the loss of his tribe, Kapish wandered through the forest until he came across a large lake. Thirsty, he noticed footprints leading into the lake, but none returning. Sensing danger, he used a lotus stem to drink water. Immediately, a giant demon appeared, impressed by Kapish's cleverness, and offered him a boon. Kapish asked for the demon's pearl necklace and returned to the palace. The king, enchanted by the necklace, asked where he could find one. Kapish led the king and his family to the lake, where they were devoured by the demon. Kapish told the king this was his punishment for betraying the monkeys. The king, devastated by the loss of his family, lived in sorrow for the rest of his life. Word of Kapish's cleverness spread, and he was remembered as a wise and just leader who took revenge on a powerful king. The tale of the wise monkey continues to be told with respect and admiration.